In this short video, you will learn how to edit existing projects directly within the Canva editor. Therefore, we have to use the so-called projects function. As soon as you use this function, a new pop-up can be seen. And this pop-up or this menu is more or less the same when, for example, clicking on menu. I will open it in a new tab to show it to you. And then you click on projects, for example. There you will find all the different designs that you have created, your recent designs, and the different folders. From now on, you are no longer, or it's no longer necessary to go back to home and afterwards to projects, but instead you can directly open a design in order to copy some elements if you want to reuse them within the Canva editor. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's do it again. So we click on projects and afterwards we see all of our designs. We see the different folders and we can see the different uploads we have made or the different images that we have uploaded. If you want to create a new folder, you can do it as well by clicking on Create Folder. You can also, for example, click on a design, on an existing design. And then you can, for example, say, hey, I want to use this design as some kind of template. Just to give you an example, I will say I want to use this design I have just clicked on, and this design should be added as a new page because I do not want to remove my amazing drawing skills or my amazing design right here. So this template, well, in this case it was a template, but in general my design was added as a new page. And now I can, for example, copy different elements in order to reuse them. This is more or less the main benefit and the main use case when talking about this projects section right here. For what do you want to use it? What are your thoughts? What are your first impressions? And do you have any questions or problems? Please feel free to contact me at any time. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you again in the next video.